Types of retail trading. Itinerant retailers. Types of retail trading. Retail trade can be classified based on the size of the business, type of ownership, and merchandise sold. The common classification is based on the basis of having a fixed place for business. The classification is itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. Itinerant retailers. They have no specific place to do business. They are mostly on the move from place to place in search of customers. Characteristics. They are small and have limited resources to operate. They generally sell consumer goods. They make goods available at the consumer's doorstep. They keep limited inventory. Common itinerant retailers in India. Peddlers and hawkers. These petty traders carry their goods on a bicycle, push carts on their heads, etc., and move from place to place. They are commonly found in streets, at exhibitions and melas, in front of schools, etc., selling low-value goods. They provide convenience service to customers, but their goods are often not reliable for quality. Market traders. These are small retailers dealing in low-value goods for low-income groups and operate in a specific area on a particular day. Street traders. These small traders are often found in busy areas with large population flow like bus stands and railway stations. They deal in goods of common use like toiletries, stationery, books, etc. Cheap jacks. They are petty retailers with independent shops but operate for a temporary period in the business locality. They change the areas based on its potentiality but not frequently.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.